Hello guys, in this video we will discuss on Java collection, programs, practice and solution. So firstly we discuss on ArrayList and then we take examples on ArrayList. ArrayList is the implementation class of list interfaces. So when we should go for list interface, in collection framework there is a number of interfaces and classes. So list interface is the one of the interfaces in a collection framework. So when we should go for list interfaces? When we in list interfaces, the best choice of list interface is when insertion order is preserved. When we preserve insertion order and duplicates are allowed. We have to preserve insertion order and we have to allow duplicates elements, then we should go for list interface. Okay, and ArrayList is the implementation class of list interface, and ArrayList support random access. So when our rapidly operation is retrieve operation, then we should go for ArrayList. And ArrayList support generics. That means when we declare a specific type of ArrayList, here we declare fish object, fish type ArrayList, then we add only fish object in this ArrayList. So ArrayList is support generics. In Java, ArrayList is a resizable array and implementation of the list interface provided by Java Collection Framework. And this collection frameworks is a in java.util package. This collection framework in a java.util package. So firstly we use array, but array is a fixed size, and ArrayList is a dynamically grow its size. Okay, and the next one is characteristics of ArrayList. Due to these characteristics, we choose ArrayList. Okay, so ArrayList is a dynamic in size. We can dynamically we increase and decrease size of the array. Second one is random access. Elements within ArrayList can be accessed using their index. So our rapidly operation is retrieval, then we should go for ArrayList because it implement random access. Okay, so we retrieve fast elements. Second is generic. ArrayList support generics. So when we declare a specific type of generics, then this is a type safety. For type safety, this ArrayList support generic. Second, iterable. ArrayList implements the iterable interface. And last one is not synchronized. So this is the characteristics of ArrayList. So depends on these characteristics, we choose ArrayList, best choice of ArrayList when we use ArrayList. So our rapidly operation is retrieval operation, and we have to add duplicates. We allow to add duplicates and insertion order preserve, then we should go for ArrayList. Okay, and here is the examples we have to solve, and this example is write a program to create an array list and add some fruits, and the type of fruits is string, and print out the collection. So firstly we have to create array list and add some fruits and then print this collection. So I open Eclipse IDE, and here I also create a Java collection project, and in this collection Java com.java collection package is created and ArrayList class is also created. So collection framework in a package of collection framework. When we go in java.base and in java.util, java.util is the package for collection framework, and this java.util package, there is a number of classes and interfaces. Okay, and one of from this package we discuss on list interface. So here we discuss on list interface. This list is an interface and which extend collection interface, and internally collection interface extend to the iterable interfaces. Okay, so list, when we should go for list, when we allow duplicates and insertion order is preserved, then we should go for list interface. Okay, and the implementation class of list is the array list. So here I discuss on array list. So I search for array list. Okay, here ArrayList is the implementation class of list interfaces, and ArrayList support. ArrayList is extend abstract list. Okay, so ArrayList is a implements random access, clonable, and java.io.serializable. So this ArrayList support random access, clonable, and serializable. Okay, so discuss on array list. Here, first example we will cover. Firstly, we have to declare array list. For declaring array list, we use direct array list implemented class. Direct array list we can use, and here is a generic type. So we have to add fruits. So we declare string generic type, and reference is fruits is equal to, here we create a new array list object, generic type, and then parenthesis and colon. Okay, so this is the first way to declare array list, and the second way is we can use interface. We can also interface for creating array list. So array list is the implementation class of list. So here we use list interface, and this is a generic type, and then fruits. Okay, fruits is equal to new array list object. And import list. Okay, this is the second way. Using interface, we create object of array list, and simply we can use only using array list we can create object of array list. So the best choice is using interfaces. We can create here. I use the best choice for creating array list object of array list is using interface. Okay, so our question is, firstly we declare array list, and type of array list is fruits string. So in array list, in fruit array list we have to add some fruits, and type of array list is string. So add method, using add method we can add fruits in array list. Okay, so fruits is a array list, and dot add method, using this add method. So here our array list type is string. So here string, and it returns boolean. That means when we add elements in array list, then it return boolean value. If elements is added, then it return true, otherwise false. Okay, so we can add here some fruits like apple. Okay, similarly we add number of fruits in this collection. Okay, and we change pineapple, orange, and grapes. So using add method, we add in fruits array list, fruits collection. In fruits collection, we add number of fruits and then we have to display. So simply we can use print function to display collection, print ln, and display fruits and then run this project. Okay, so here display fruits collections. A program to iterate through all elements in an array list. So in first program, we create array list, fruits array list, and simple using print function, we can display fruits collection here. So we have to iterate one by one. So using for each loop, we can iterate these collections. So I use here for each loop for and this is a fruits collections, fruits array list, and type of these fruits is string. So I take types of object string and then here fruits is a collections and there is a number of fruits we added here. So one of each element, each fruits we have to retrieve. So for fruits, I use a letter F, then colon and collections. So here I use fruits collections. And from fruits collections, we have to retrieve one by one fruits. So F means each fruits. So here we have to display using system.out.println function. We have to display each fruits. So I use F letter and then save this project and then run. Okay, so using this for each loop, we retrieve all fruits collections here. Next program is write a program to insert an element into the array list at the first position. So we have to insert element at the first position. So we have to add first elements so we have to add one fruits at 0 index. So we use firstly on fruits collections we add fruits on particular index. We can add fruits on a particular index. So here first parameter is index and then string element. So here I have to add at 0 index and the fruit's name is banana. Okay, and then display collection and then I run this Java application. And here at the 0 first index, we can add another element, another fruits. The next program is write a Java program to retrieve an element at a specific index from a given array. So we have to retrieve elements at a specific index. So I open Eclipse IDE. So from these collections, from this collection banana, apple, pineapple, orange, grapes. We have to retrieve. This is a zero index 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have to retrieve fourth index fruits. For this, I use string. Firstly, I use string because this is a string type, and use fruit is equal to from fruits collections dot get, and we have to provide particular index, so we provide fourth index, and we can directly use to the print function. So I give direct to the print function and print fourth index element, fourth index fruits, and save and run this project. So here I have to print something. Fourth index fruits elements. Fruits element. Okay, and then save this project and run. Okay, so here we have to give some gap. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So fourth index is grapes. So we can retrieve particular fruits, particular elements. So we can retrieve elements using index. Using index, we can retrieve. The next question is write a Java program to update an array element by the given element. So we have to update. So I open Eclipse IDE. We have to use set method. So this is firstly I comment this, and here this is our fruits collections, and we have to update. We have to update fruits. So we have to update fruits. Here I remove this banana and set here in banana we have to set orange. So for update we use, firstly I use collection fruits on collection fruits dot set method for update, and index of banana is 0, and updated value here. So at 0 index, I use orange on banana is removed, and updated value is orange. And then I print the collection and then update the collection. Okay, so see, and run the Java application. And see here, banana is updated to orange. Okay, so in our fruits collection, it support duplicates is allowed and insertion order is preserved. Okay,